पार्टिसिपेशन इंडीड बहुत अच्छा था और मुझे उसको जज करने में उतना ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। द वे 2 मिनट के अंदर कितने ही पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने बड़े सुंदर ढंग से बताया कि कैसे क्रिसमस उनके लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, ज़रूरी है, उसका रियल मतलब क्या है। और मैं दाद देता हूँ उनके जज्बे की कि उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत और तैयारी से इतना अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन किया। और दोनों रीजन्स को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ, बिकॉज इंडीड ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है जो दोनों रीजन्स ने साथ में मिलकर लिया है और कुछ यूथ्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है। एंड आई होप कि ये चीज़ें कंटिन्यू होती रहेंगी। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर फ्यूचर।
Praise the Lord, all my lovely brothers and sisters watching this, especially those who participated for the articulation. This sharing, this food for thought is just for you guys. First and foremost, let me congratulate each and every one of you, all the winners, all the participants. I told you, I mentioned during the competition also that each and every one of you is a winner already. The time when you said, yes, I am going to participate for so and so competition. Well, when I look back to the day when the event was taking place, everyone was nervous. They were trying their level best to make use of those 2 minutes. I had certain points that I was noting it down. I kept myself in the shoe of a participant and then thought, how can I improve? How can I make it more better? So just sharing some tips, some views that I had. Also when I had a discussion with my fellow judges. So this is just a sharing. Not, I don't call myself the perfect. It was a learning process for me as well during the event. First and foremost, we all know that this was organized digitally, an online event. So it was very important that each and every one of you should have a good net connection. Yes, I'm talking about the internet. So that your expression, your views, each and every word reaches to the judges clear and crystal. Yes. So that is why it is very important that the net connection has to be the best. Followed by some notes that we were preparing. We all knew, all the participants already knew what was the theme, the topic, what they had to talk about. So those 2 minutes is a beautiful journey, not alone, but with all the other participants, with the judges. So each and every one of you must have noted down certain key points before the event. If not, it is very important that you must have those key points that yes, these 2 minutes I'm going to narrate this. This is my message to each and everyone listening to me. Followed by the end, when you're clearing the message, when you know that it is 1 minute 40 seconds, you have just 20 more seconds left. It should be a preparation to give a good closing, the cherry on the cake moment. That's it. And there you go. The bang, the exact point wherein we all know that yes, this is the finish of those 2 minutes during the articulation. Let's talk about the location. We all know that, you all need a space, an atmosphere, an opportunity to make use of that 2 minutes. Well, talking about that, many of you had, sat in the car. I saw many of you were there in the closed room. So you had already prepared. So it is very important during an online event that you inform each and everyone around you, your family, your friends. Nobody should call at that point of time that yes, I am going to participate for this competition. This is my time duration. Please do not call me. Please do not disturb me. So along with your personal preparation, you need to prepare the people around you. And the last thing is making use of the opportunity. Now let me tell you guys, I just hosted one of my friends' event to talk about my former RESCO member as well as a colleague that I have, that's Gio. We all work together and I got this opportunity to host one of the online event. So why not make use of that space? When I was told that I have to prepare such a video, I just finished my event. I have the green screen with me, I have the lights, I have the camera with me. So why not just make use of this opportunity? So what message I'm giving you is that make the best use of every opportunity you have. Every one of you said, yes, I'm going to participate. you made use of those 2 minutes the best you can perform. So in future, anytime you get, even if it is 2 minutes, it's 1 minute, even few seconds, perform your best. Make the best use of the opportunity. Once again, congratulating all the winners, the participants, and a big cheers to all the organizing members. You guys have done a great job, and looking forward to associate for more such events, for more such grand functions. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you once again.
My dear friends, I am really glad to announce the results of the elocution competition. First is number 8, second is number 3, and third is number 12. I congratulate all the participants who enthusiastically participated in this elocution competition, and I also congratulate all the organizers who really put in a lot of hard work. Keep it up, keep the good spirit, keep the work going on, and congratulations to all.